Construction works near and within waterways is often unavoidable. You can avoid and minimise the effects on water quality, fish passage and habitat through proper planning and use of best practice. Dewatering is the process of removing surface water and creates a dry area for construction sites. A temporary barrier, which is called a cofferdam, can be installed around the works area, with the water either pumped or siphoned out. This creates a safe and dry work area. DPI Fisheries policy and guidelines outlines the best way to protect fish during the dewatering process. A permit from DPI Fisheries may be required for works associated with dewatering. This includes dredging and reclamation, fish relocation or temporary blockage, or diversion to fish passage. Additional approvals are required for threatened species, and all works in marine parks require a permit. DPI Fisheries recommends hiring a qualified aquatic ecologist to prepare a fish relocation plan. A fish relocation plan and Environmental Work Method Statement, or EWMS, must be assessed and endorsed by DPI Fisheries. The EWMS should include details on the site preparation and methods for dewatering, as well as information on the capture, transport and release sites for fish relocation. The plan should also consider the presence of acid sulfate soils. There are a variety of methods for dewatering at a construction site, such as plastic-wrapped sandbags or bulker bags. These can be an effective barrier in smaller creeks or estuaries and isolate the work site, assisting with sedimentation control. Artificial waterways, such as farm dams, may contain freshwater fish that could be affected by dewatering. When dewatering a dam or weir, it is important to create a sump below the dam level. The sump concentrates the fish during dewatering and allows safer and easier fish capture and relocation. Pumps and screens for dewatering need to be a suitable capacity and size. Pump velocities should be slow enough to allow fish to escape during dewatering. If pump inlets are unscreened, fish and other fauna can enter the pump and die, especially small-bodied native fish. When excavating creek beds in coastal environments, groundwater seepage and tidal inundation will also require management through a dewatering plan. In waterways, it is best to undertake dewatering in stages to allow time for fish rescue and relocation. Work should be during low flows and avoided when it is excessively hot or cold or in drought, as this is when fish populations are under stress. DPI Fisheries recommend regular checks of the creek during dewatering to see if any aquatic fauna are stranded or need relocating as part of the approved fish relocation plan. A good dewatering strategy will consider where the water will be pumped to, as it's important to manage or treat the discharge water. The release of pumped water may require an environmental protection licence through the EPA. Discharge water that doesn't meet the required water quality standards must be treated either through sediment detention basins or irrigated and filtered through native vegetation. It's important to install erosion protection at the pump outlet to reduce potential jetting of this water onto surrounding creek banks. With planning and the use of best practice techniques, dewatering and fish relocation can be done in a way that avoids and minimises impacts on water quality, fish habitat and fish passage. If you're planning on undertaking dewatering works, please refer to the DPI Fisheries Fish Relocation Plan, as well as Fisheries Dewatering Policy and Guidelines. For more information, please consult your local fisheries manager.